Remember when Priuses were some of the most hated vehicles on the road? Are we at a time now where they're acceptable and cool? Check this out. Prius lift kits. I remember when Prius owners used to look down on everyone else because they have the moral high ground. Now it feels like the Tesla owners are what Prius owners used to be, and maybe Priuses are becoming cool now. But at least they're still planting a tree for every lift kit sold. So that's pretty neat. Who wants to do a Prius build? Hold fast. You want to do a Prius build? You have a big van like me. You know all about the fuel economy of a big van. Do we need to do lifted Prius builds? If I had the money, I might. Now actually, if I had the extra money, I think I would do a Dodge Caravan build. I would get a Dodge Caravan, a blue or a red one, and do Dodge Viper racing stripes on them and a rooftop tent. But this is still pretty neat though. Jose PhD, you're gonna like this. You're gonna like this one a lot. Not only do this company does Priuses, they do Cliffhanger. I haven't ran into one yet though. Come on, load. Let me pause this real quick. Dun dun dun. Toyota Corolla lift kits. What? Sold out though. Where are all these guys hanging out? Did you get one, Jose PhD? Did you get a Toyota Corolla lift kit? Are you holding out on us? That's Jose PhD's favorite car of all time. 1.5 inch lift kit. Hopefully they're in stock soon. So you could fit 215 tires on it. That's pretty big actually. You know why? This is pretty sad. That's the next mod I want for my van. I got a lift kit on my van, cambered style, bent I-beam kit. But look how tiny my tires are. They're 245s. So Jose PhD, if you put 215s on your Corolla, your tires will be almost as big as the tiny tires on my van. I need to work on that. I don't know why this is not loading. But there you go. Toyota Corolla lift kit. Right there.